Hi folks, piece of £200 Saunders Waterford cold pressed paper sent to me, or patches sent to me by Dennis Eves. I've cut this sheet, one sheet in two, one for you and one for Patreon. The simplest way to make a passable painting watercolour is to keep it simple anyway. My focus is hunting at the moment. So what I'm going to do is just a wet bit of paper and put the usual wash of raw sienna. Stop buffering. Hunting. You'll find that you get a lot of sparkle when you miss out bits. You can wet it as much as you like. A bit of red to that. We'll have a bit of blue on there. Put a bit of water down there. Okay, well that's a reasonable sky. Now that's going to paint itself there. We'll put a bit of distance. So let's have a bit of glycerin. Now use the light red. That's nice and wet. Oh, cramp. Right, now this bit is, although it's a heavyweight, it does expand. That's why I don't like locking my paper up in a box of masking tape around the edge. So this way you can just easily flatten it. Let's give it a bit of a, no, let's not give it a try. Get some stuff on that horizon there. Bit of Payne's grey, or Payne's grey is a bit wet. When you're going to paint wet in wet like this, make sure your paint is quite thick, because otherwise it'll just vanish into the wet surrounding. Now I haven't done many watercolours lately, I've concentrated on oils. Okay, I can dry that now. We'll get a bit of foreground in. So take your headphones off. Okay, I can lift out a little bit of that to make a bit of a waterline. That's a screw clip. Okay, let's get a bit of foreground. I won't use that small egg, use the large one. Now we want a warmer colour to have a bit of green. All very light touch. Let's get a bit of darker green in there. Use a palette green. Okay, well that'll do. Right, now I'm going to get a bit of tissue. Where's the tissue? Oh, I've got 3 rolls of the stuff. Ah, that's the one I wanted. This is quite a smooth paper, the other's a bit knobbly. Okay, so we've got a reflection. Not quite sure about that bit there, but it sort of works. I'm not going to put a tree coming out there. I might put another bit of lake in, so let's have a bit of bluey lake. Or maybe I will. Do a small lake. We'll put a little bit of green. Bit darker on the shadow side. A bit of shadow there. No, that's too wieldy. That's I use the rigger for doing these. Okay, well that's all I'm going to do. That's going to be it for the week, I think. Done quite a bit, mostly oils. Right, put a mount on it. Oh, there we are. Just a very simple sky background. These cool colour and a brighter, warmer foreground and a bit of a tree. It's about as simple as I can make it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.